Hey there, welcome to Style with Carol, and today is a much anticipated and waited for video because I've always talked about a house tour and I have yet to show you all a house tour. So today I promise I will show you guys my house, at least the second level for the home, which is a bit of, it has a few different styles to it. So as soon as you enter, it has a nice nautical theme type decoration and feel vibe going on, nautical, as you can see in the back. And as you transition more in, it's more of a Tuscan vibe, farmhouse vibe. I mentioned that in my last video in terms of things to avoid and how to incorporate different styles in your home while not making it clash and be cohesive in terms of having it all look and feel appropriate, like it just belongs in the room. So before I do that, the first portion of my video, I realize I never show you guys how I do my tier tray setups, and I'm a big fan of tier tray. I know if you're a subscriber, you've heard me say it 1,000 times. I'm an Etsy seller on Etsy, obviously, but I do tier tray decorations, and I just thought it would be so fun to do like a tier tray decoration and arrange it right in front of you. And it's something that you've seen photos in, but in terms of actually recreating, now you can know how to recreate the same look. So let's get to it. So with this net, although you want it to be seen, when you're moving it to the next level, like the bottom level, you actually rather not have it in the front, but take it from the bottom in. And that makes a big difference. I'm peculiar about how I do these designs, so I want to make sure that I'm telling you all the tips and tricks there is in order to recreate the same thing. I also wanted to tell you, I wanted to pair in liked items. So if you see the tier tray and the sail on, these go together. So that's why I'm putting them with each other versus not without. Because for this level here, I actually want to incorporate 3 items. And for that, I need to be mindful of the space that I have to work with. You are my anchor and the compass. So we're gonna put those here. Somehow transition them. Put in this cute little wheel. Put it there. Also, this is the same thing. And put it from the back, not the front. And then after you go in, set your main pieces, that's when you're actually want to go in and put in like your accent pieces to it, and you know, all your shells and these lovely like rocks and stuff. So that's where we're gonna scatter them around. Here's the final product and how it looks. Hope this was helpful, and now we are moving on to the house tour portion of the video. We're starting outside because the weather is so gosh darn beautiful out here, and the flowers and lilies are blooming so beautifully. These are our lilies that we grew, our little ladybug crossing. Thank you for that, Anne Marie. And just, I love how our garden is looking. We are not the best gardeners, but we try our best to make the house look and feel just homey and beautiful. This beautiful wreath is from Target. I love that It's huge, and that's pretty much the trend right now, the big wreaths. So I have that in starting at my home, and then as soon as you enter in, we have the hand sanitizer, of course, during these tough times. And then we just have like a whole, these are like all the nautical type themed I have laid out in terms of decorations, put seashells in there, and really try to create like this whimsical type entryway that has that coastal vibe to it. And I transitioned that into the formal living room because they're connected. And yeah, even with like the bird cage here, try to add some seashells and like rocks and stuff like that, nets, candles, the sailboat. Kept it very simple up there. And then on the bed, it's very like nautical type. And then these lamps, I love these. These are from Home Goods. The mini seahorse is my favorite pillow right now. It's just so freaking cute. And then we have this lighthouse that actually lights in the dark time. I think I've showed you all this in my past videos, but it's so cool. It's solar battery operated. And then here I updated it in case you've seen my last video. I added a mermaid in the center. She is gorgeous, and add some shells and some beautiful blue rocks. And then if you see the details, she has like some gold specks to her, and I just love that. And then the two sides are from Amazon. They actually come in a 3 set, so that's the 3rd set that I just showed you all. And then these DIY little fishes that I have are so darn cute, and I am obsessed over them because they are just the cutest things ever and work so well with my decorations. And the candle holder from, I believe it was HomeSense, yes. And then the candle, the top part is from Dollar Tree. And so I mix, you know, different things, whatever I could find. And then, oh, this Life is a Beach, Enjoy the Waves are from Dollar Tree. Y'all remember I lost it, and I found it in the car. It was like under the passenger seat, but I'm so happy I found the set because these are very hard to find now. And then on my window areas, these are like those were from Big Lots. And then I always change the like top hand, I don't even know, the wheel to make it with the decoration right above home. That always changes seasonally. And then we're gonna transition into the kitchen. Now, bear with me, the kitchen is not the cleanest, but this is our little chore area that I have listed for my hubby and I joke that I'm do 80% of the work. I don't know about this 80-20 rule, but gotta change. And then we are kind of going towards the window shield area. I have like my cute little pig cookie jar, greetings from Big Lots. I believe they still have this. And then, oh, this is so in right now. I've seen this in so many other YouTube home decoration videos. The little step thing. I don't even know what to call it, but that was from Home Goods, and it's just so cool. But it's a hit or miss. You can find it or you don't find it. That's unfortunately the case. And I have my rooster here that I forgot to put before somehow, but y'all, I love my roosters. It just gives it such a cozy vibe. And then on the top I have bless this home and all who enter. And then this is what I'm talking about. I have the yellow Tuscan farmhouse vibe here. So it's a completely different theme, but it works because these rooms are connected and they kind of are their own space. This is from At Home, the flowers that you see. And this was a great idea that I just thought of to kind of hang them down. And it looks so great. And I also ended up using the same florals that you see from the top kind of towards the tier tray as well. I need to buy more tier trays because I have so many tier tray items stuff and it's like I don't know where to do it, and I try to add it everywhere. Oh, this is a new buy from Michaels, y'all. They have it this year, and I think it's like more of a summer's fall collection, but it does kind of transition into fall, so I just love it. And I decided to add it because originally I had like this bunny type, like bunny type jar thing that also lights up, but I felt like it was just too much. It felt like, I don't know, Easter, and it's summer now, so I really wanted to kind of update this part of the house to make it seem a little bit more like, you know, seasonal and change it up. So this was a new purchase that I got from fall, and I'm doing a shop with me fall video type thing next as well. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that bell so you can follow along. This is my fireplace mantle, which I am in love with, the Tuscan farmhouse vibe, home decoration with a touch of glam. It's just, it just makes me feel at home, you all. And then I have like this leaf over here, which I love because it's artificial and I don't have to water it and keep up with it. And just wanted to show you, like on the side, I have like this, these are just my pillows that I have. But on the side here, I have like, it's a Christmas decoration, but I ended up making it work for every season because I love it so much. And it's like a willow tree, and it has LED lights, but it just looks so nice, and I decided to keep it there. Here is little Louie's home, our little puppy who just pretends that he owns his house, because usually there's toys all over the house with him, and his favorite place is right under that dining table. He'll just make a mess under there. Fortunately, I cleaned it up, and so we're all good to go. Also, this is the kitchen lit up kind of, because earlier the lights were off, and I thought I need to really show you all how it looks with the lights. And then we're also going to show you the pantry. Make sure you check out my pantry video on how I organized everything. And look, it's nice and organized. We can see the floor. I updated it not long ago, so make sure you check out this video. We got cans for days. And I'll show you how to do like the bamboo surface and everything like that I DIY'd. And really, this was like a Dollar Tree pantry that worked out amazing in my opinion, because it just works so well for me. And then I use the label machine to add in all the labels of categories of food that we have. And this pantry is always open 24/7. So when I'm not in the kitchen, feel free to go in the pantry. This is our office room area. Now, I was debating on whether to show you all this because it's a mess, but I'm going to show it to you. I love this picture frame. I love the quote that it says there. And then this side here, it's kind of like a map of Fiji with like the pretty leaf frames, the lights, which I need to change out because it doesn't light enough. Without the sunlight, it gives very minimum lights because we really need lights for working on our Etsy projects. These are some prototypes that we have. And this is where the magic happens. So we spend a lot of time here. Anyways, thank you so very much for watching this home tour video. As promised, it's been anticipated and long, but part 2 will be coming, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that bell so you can get notifications when I do my next video. And please consider joining my YouTube family. I love to post every Monday. I'll have a home decoration or some type of video for you all. And just ending with a recap of everything that we went through for the home tour. Thank you very much. God bless, and see you next time, my friends. Bye.